Hi guys, this is Vishal Gupta here. Welcome back to the Linux session. Today I'll be focusing on package management. So basically package manager is a tool that allows you to install, update, remove and otherwise manage distro specific software packages, and different Linux distribution have different package managers and package formats. So let's say Ubuntu Debian has apt-get and DPKG. This our Red Hat CentOS has Red Hat package manager or Yum. Your Python has APK, OpenSUSE has Zyper as its package manager. So since we are using the Linux system, so Ubuntu system, so basically we'll be focusing more towards Ubuntu package manager, that is APT, advanced package tool. So APT is a package management used by Debian based distribution. So I'll be going through this practical aspect of how each and every package, package is installed, upgraded or updated, or how it is installed or removed. So let's get started. First of all, to update already installed software with APT, we use upgrade sudo apt get upgrade. It is basically used to upgrade the installed packages to their latest version. So I'll just type this command sudo apt get upgrade. So it will search. So all my packages are in their latest version. So basically, I do not need to check for. I do not need to install the latest version. It's already in the latest version. So before installing any package, we need to update our package repository. Our APT has its package repository. Our Red Hat has its Yum repository. Red Hat or CentOS based distributions have Yum repository. For Ubuntu, we have package repository. So before installing any package, we need to update our package repository. So the command to update our package repository is sudo apt get update. So it will basically search for all the packages it has in internet or in its local apt repository. So already it has updated. So basically this is the command to update our package repository. So the next command is to search for the available package within APT. Let's say I want to install Gunicon. So the command is sudo apt -cache search Gunicon. So it will give me the available packages that are available for installing Gunicon in its APT package repository, in its APT repository. So this will give me a list of files that are available to install Gunicon. If I want to install, let's say, any package, so the command is sudo apt install and the package name. So to install, like if I want to install Nginx, so the command is sudo apt get install Nginx. So it will basically start my Nginx. It will basically install my Nginx. This Nginx package, and to remove any package from remove any installed package. Let's say I want to remove Nginx. So the command is sudo apt remove Nginx. I can give this yes or no prompt. Instead of giving yes or no at the prompt, I can directly give at the command line only. So it will basically remove my Nginx package. So yeah, it has removed Nginx from my system. So this is basically how you deal with the package management in Ubuntu Linux distributions. So thank you guys for attending this lecture.